Inside. Do properly everyone.
Why you are gathering here? Huh? Go that side. Go there.
Side. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Everyone get it for next center. 3, 2, 1, start. And score up. Side, off, down. Stand it, attention. Stand it, attention. Everyone get it by school song. Start. Let's go out. Inside. Let's go. Off. Last 6 goal. Hands off. Side. Side. Down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now I have to call the speakers to deliver their speech.
Now.
Namaskar and good morning to respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Sneha Thakuri from grade 10 standing here to read the editorials on the topic of JNG draft accord aims at the corruption control reforms. 26 years after IZ-814 hijack, Nepal's airport security is still weak. 5 women as many stories. Winter David Cizile wins a prestigious Booker Prize for fiction with his earthy novel Flesh. A division league with a deal on 120 days ceiling. Kathmandu Gorkhas all set for second NPL. JNG draft accords aims at corruption control reforms. A group of JNG leaders has finalized the draft agreement to be assigned with the government and submitted it to the Prime Minister Susila Karki's advisors on the Tuesday. The draft states that the JNG, unsurprising, of September 8 to 9 was political movement and urged the government to recognize it as the response to dissatisfaction with Nepal's demonstration process and growing distrust in the governance structure. According to the copy revised by the Post, several JNG groups contributed the draft which was submitted on the behalf of the Nepal JNG front. The government will now look into the 9-point draft agreement that aims the institutions and recognize the demands, public sentiment and political masses of the 2 days JNG revolt. The draft was presented to the government through the Prime Minister advisors Ajay Bhadra Khanal and Govinda Narayan Timal Sinha. This is not a final. It will be revised, said advisor Khanal, adding that they are still working on the common draft. Thank you and I will get.
Namaskar and very warm good evening to all respected Vice Principal, teacher brothers, sisters and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Kishore Pudasani from grade 9 is standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of corruption in Nepal. Without wasting our time, I would like to start my topic, corruption in Nepal. Everybody wants to live their life happily and by achieving their goals. In Nepal, there was being corruption, and it was taking action by JNGs from 13 to 28 years old. Corruption is done by taking money or by giving money. We should avoid corruption by not giving money. Thank you.
Namaskar and very much good morning to all respected principals or vice principals or teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friend. And joining my experience on over from grade 7 standing in front of you to deliver our short and sweet speech on the topic of the value of time. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of we have organized this type of program which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now, without wasting my time, I would like to start my topic, the value of time. Time is very important in our life. Once it's gone, it never comes back. We can earn money again and again, but we can get the lost time back. That's why people say time and tide waits for none. So we must use it wisely. If we waste time in we waste time, we lose very good chances. But if we use it properly, we can get success easily. At last, I would like to say that time management is very important. Thank you. Namaskar and very long good morning to all. As you all know, Ms. Aurangzeb from grade 5, I want to give a short speech on the topic of importance of education. Education is the light of the world which removes the darkness. Education helps us learn things. It is the future of our life. Education helps us get to our destination. Without education, there will be no doctor, teachers, engineers, etc. Every child has the rights to get educated. At last, I want to say that every child should get educated properly.
Thank you, everyone.
We have to prepare well.
Hands cover up. Inside. Hands off. Inside. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. So to provide some information, I'd like to welcome our special guest speaker.
Thank you very much, coordinator. Cover up. Class 9 boys are talking. Keep the distance. And sight. Everybody's hands must be in the same position, parallel to the ground. Some bending, some making straight. What is this? Hand side. Manita, hand side. Hands up. Stretch. Prasida, what happened to you? Everybody stretch your hands. They are not doing any PT, physical training, that's why they feel very passive. They act also accordingly. Clap. Total sound, clap, hands according to the standard. Hands side, hands down. Stand it. No rhythmic sound is there, why? Attention. Akash Gurung, be active. Stand it. Yes. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Nirajan, be active. What are you dreaming about? Stand it. Again, it seems very passive. Attention. Produce sound as well. Stand it. Anything both done? You want to practice whole day or what? Attention. Shugam also. Studies. Okay. So, you are the students of a smart school. You have to be smart. You must wear the proper uniform. Coat, shirt, pant, skirt, stockings, shoes, socks, cap, muffler, tie, everything must be up to date. And your hair also must be combed well. Not only that, you must not forget to use hair oil. Tie must be washed regularly. Belt, whether it is up to date or not. Socks must be washed every day. Don't wear stinky socks. Shoes must be polished. If you have got house-based shoes, they must be washed regularly. And next important thing, you have to use ribbon. So you buy near about 60 centimeter long ribbon, divide that into two parts, and you can use in your each flap. Not ready-made ribbon. Now if you are using ready-made ribbon, we don't allow you. Ready-made ribbon so dirty, very short. You must buy ribbon and use it. Minimum 30 centimeter in each. Then it looks nice. So I would like to request the class teachers to check the smartness of each student.